Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a very specific but essential component for operators of the T30 plant protection drone. This is a replaceable accessory, specifically the T30 Plunger pump assembly, and it comes complete with the necessary line. It's listed under the part number BC.AG.SS000372. For anyone who relies on their T30 drone for agricultural spraying or other plant protection tasks, the pump assembly is absolutely critical. It's the heart of the spraying system, pushing the liquid from the tank out through the nozzles. Like any mechanical part, especially one handling liquids and operating under pressure, these pumps can wear out over time or potentially suffer damage. When that happens, having a reliable replacement part is crucial to minimize downtime. This particular assembly is from the brand OHCVEG, manufactured by XINLINC. It's designed as a direct repair part for the T30 model. The fact that it includes the line is a definite plus, as it means you're getting a complete unit ready for installation, potentially simplifying the repair process. The listed weight is just 50 grams, which is exactly what you'd expect for a component like this on a drone. Lightweight is always a priority to maintain flight efficiency and payload capacity. While it's listed as a toy part in some descriptions, make no mistake, this is a functional repair part for a professional piece of equipment. Its purpose is purely to restore the spraying capability of the T30 drone. For farmers and drone service providers, having access to these kinds of replaceable accessories is vital for maintaining their fleet and ensuring they can continue operations during peak seasons. Replacing a worn pump assembly can restore optimal spray performance, ensuring even coverage and efficient use of chemicals or fertilizers. It's not a glamorous part, but it's undeniably important for the drone's primary function. If you're experiencing issues with your T30 spraying system, like reduced pressure or inconsistent output, the plunger pump assembly is one of the first places you'd look, and having this specific replacement part available makes the repair process much more straightforward. It's an essential item to keep on hand if you operate these drones regularly.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.